gonna start the night off with some Hanukkah jams. I updated it to be modern so people would understand it, so there. Okay.
Yeah.
How do we, okay, go.
Okay.
Yes, it is. Put on your yarmulke. Here comes Hanukkah. So much funukkah to celebrate Hanukkah. Hanukkah is the festival of lights. Instead of one day of presents, we have 8 crazy nights. When you feel like the only kid in town without a Christmas tree, here's a list of people who are Jewish, just like you and me. Okay, ready? Go. Joseph Gordon-Levitt lights the menorah. So do Josh Peck, Andrew Garfield, and the late Joan Rivers. Guess who eats together at the Carnegie Deli? Nat Wolff from Naked Brothers Band and Arthur Fonzarelli, the Fonz. Adam Levine's half Jewish. Scarlett Johansson's half too. Put them together. What a fine-looking Jew. You don't need Deck the Halls or Jingle Bell Rock, 'cause you can spin the dreidel with Captain Kirk and Mr. Spock, both Jewish. Put on your yarmulke. It's time for Hanukkah. The owner of the Seattle Supersonicas celebrates Hanukkah. O.J. Simpson, not a Jew, but guess who is? Yes, we got Marilyn Monroe too. She converted. We got Woody Allen and Hoodie Allen, and Isla Fisher from Great Gatsby. Zac Efron's a quarter Jewish, not too shabby. Some people think that Ebenezer Scrooge is. Well, he's not, but guess who is? All 3 Stooges. So many Jews are in showbiz. Tom Cruise isn't, but I heard his agent is. I don't get that joke. Tell your friend Veronica, it's time for Hanukkah. I hope I get a harmonica on this lovely, lovely Hanukkah. So drink your gin and tonica and don't smoke marijuana. If you really, really wanna have a happy, happy, happy